Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Haley and today I'm back in my kitchen, although I'm not filming a kitchen video again because as you can see here, I'm filming another Stitch Fix box. So I got a offer, I think it was right after I sent back my other box that said we will send you another box, no styling fee. So I was like, okay, maybe I'll try it. But I'm weary. 2 reasons. For one, I'm nervous that I'm going to like the clothes and then have to purchase them, like I said on the last one, because they're expensive. So there's that. And 2, I'm weary once I got the box because look at how skinny it is. Last time my box was like massive. This time the box is really tiny. So I don't know if, I don't know. I'm confused. Why is it so small? Did I get 5 necklaces or something? I know they do accessories, so let's pop the tape. Let's open it up together. And I think what I'm going to do this time, since I don't have the credit this time, is I'm going to look at the price of the items first and then look at the pieces. And then I will try them on. So, it's the mailer, all the little papers. I'm gonna look at this, and I'll show you the little, there's something like metal. Okay, well this is the little bundle. 2, 3, 4, 5. There's definitely 5 pieces. It looks like the metal that is hitting it, it looks like it's a jean jacket, and then maybe 5 tops. So, let's look at the price of these things before I start. Okay, so a little style card with her little note. So I'm gonna read this. Okay, so nothing really, just kind of basic things. The style card. So, let's look at the prices of this stuff. Sorry, this is in the way. Okay. Yikes. I thought that would happen. I thought it was going to be back to the basically exact same thing. So, $68, $58, $42, $48, $44. And since there was no styling fee, which I guess makes sense because I don't have to pay the styling fee, that $20 credit isn't on there, which I would have had to pay for. So obviously if I don't want anything, I send everything back, it's free. So at the very least I get to make this video, I guess. But if I do like it, then I'm having to pay for it. So the subtotal is $260. If I buy all of it together, there's a 25% off discount, and that means that the subtotal is $195. Yikes. So, I'm going to try on these pieces, but right now, I'm automatically going to say no. So, because of the price. Like I said in the last video, maybe Stitch Fix isn't for me right now. As far as the price of the items, I know I've heard people say that Stitch Fix items can be the more it lasts longer. I can't think of the word for that, but that it's good quality pieces. But right now I am a broke college student and I can't imagine paying $45 for a shirt. Literally this shirt cost me $2 on clearance at Old Navy. $45? Okay, so let me just open this up and look at the pieces, and then I will try them on. Last time I talked too much, so I'm going to try not to talk so much in this one, and, I gave my opinions more than one time, so. Okay. So this is called the Warren Split Neck Blouse, and it's this purple color. I think it's cute. As you can see, it's really sheer. So we'll try that on. I also mentioned in my styling quiz sort of thing that I'm a student teacher. And I don't know, I mean, I guess maybe it looks like a little deeper V, but I try not to wear like too many V-neck, like deeper cut things in the classroom. So, but yeah, that just looks really sheer. Okay, this is Market Spruce Hands Crochet Front Top. Hands, H-A-N-S. Okay, so it's crochet in the front. It's like cotton in the back with a zipper. First impression is Okay. West Key, K-E-I. Q? I don't know. West Key. Cassia tie detail blouse. No. I asked for tops, but like this also super sheer and like, nope. Okay, I think this one's a dress. Murphy brushed knit dress, olive color. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it's cinched at the waist. It's this really pretty olive color. In the last one, I wrote that the dress was too short, so I kind of don't understand why they'd give me another short dress. I'll try it and see, but I'm not sure. And then a jean jacket, which I'm not even gonna try this on for the sake of it's folded so nicely. I recently got a jean jacket from Old Navy, I think it was. Yeah, of course. I always buy everything from Old Navy. Old Navy, and it was like $30. And I was able to like use a coupon on it or whatever. But jean jacket, and I think it's an absolute staple. And maybe if I didn't have it in my closet already, I would get this because I wanted one for a really, really long time. So this is automatically going right into the mailer just because it's already packaged so nicely. And I feel like a basic jean jacket is, I don't need to try that on. So I'm gonna set up my camera over that way and try on all these pieces and show you. So I have this on like just with my jeans. And if I was gonna wear a blouse, like I would wear it somewhere, like I would probably not wear it with jeans, but absolutely nope. I don't like this. It's like cinched and it's kind of tight. It doesn't fit right like in the shoulders, I don't think. I'll give you a little close-up of this. I don't really like this. It's pretty sheer. I'm wearing on a black bra, just because that's what I was wearing before. Definitely shows through. I think the neck is a little too high for my liking, although I know I said I don't like a deep cut. I think it fits nicely this way, but I don't like it. Like, to me, it seems old lady-ish. Okay. First impression, nope, absolutely no way I would keep this. For one, like, I don't know if it shows up well on camera. I feel like I can see it pretty well, but like, I feel like you can see my skin. It's a close-up of it. I'm also obviously still wearing the black bra, so you can still see the bra, but I don't like it. I don't think it looks very cute. I mean, I could be wrong. It's kind of a basic, like, I mean, kind of basic thing. I just feel like it kind of hugs really weird in the back. Like, it shows any rolls or imperfections on my skin. Like, it's not smooth. This is, like, kind of uncomfortable. And, like, I don't like it. I just, yeah. Big old thumbs down. So, first impression on this one is like, maybe. Definitely like it more on than just holding it. I like the button detail on the side there. And I like, it's actually not as deep as I thought it was. I'll kind of come closer to the camera. I think it looks very professional. I think it looks good, it looks cute, but for the price point, no. Like, if it was, like, I don't know, $10, $20, then maybe, and, like, at Old Navy, you can get a sale on things. Target, things go on sale, coupons, but no. I like it. This, out of everything that I've tried on so far, this being the third top, this one is my favorite. This would be the only one, like, if I had all the money in the world and, you know, I was at a better financial standpoint, this would be the only one that I would, like, maybe keep. So, this one is super cute. First impression is like, yes, I love it. So, yeah, I mean, I like this. This is also has that little detailed design on it with a little button, so it kind of like pulls it up a little bit. It kind of makes it at a little bit of an awkward length. It's not quite 3/4. Or I think it's a little more than 3/4, not quite a full sleeve on me. It's got the cinching, excuse me, the cinching here, which I'm not quite sure about, like, the placement of it. Like, I feel like if it was, like, up more or, like, down more, but it kind of, like, sits at an awkward place, I feel like, for me, and my body's, like, type. This one, I think, is better for the length than the dress that I got the last time. So yeah, feel-wise, yes. Looks-wise, I think yes. Price point, no. So, I've tried on the 4 pieces, not the jean jacket. So let me go back to my counter and I will tell you about the pieces. All right, so I'm trying to film this as quick as possible, so I'm going to stay in the dress just for the filming of it, because my roommates are at class right now, and I like to film when, like, they're not here, just to, like, not be in the way. So let's look at the prices, talk about the items, and call it good. So first item is that denim jacket, and it cost $68. Didn't even try it on. Kind of already explained that. Don't need it. So I don't know what the fit of it would be like, and I could try it on for video purposes, but like I said, it's just really, really nicely folded, and I know for a fact I'm not going to keep it, so what's the point in wearing it? The crochet front and top is $58. I think that's ridiculous for a top. $58. To me, that's absolutely ridiculous. So, nope. And as you saw, I didn't like the fit of it. It's kind of uncomfortable. So, the cassia tie detail blouse. Absolutely no. I hated that one. Thumbs down. That one's the cheapest at $42. No. Nope. To me, it made me feel like an old lady, and almost made me feel like Amish with, like, the tie at the top, and the color was okay. Could take it or leave it, but nope. The Murphy brushed knit dress, that's this one. It's $48. So I think I'm gonna have to say no, just because, like, I have dresses in my closet. It's nothing amazing to me. And, like, $48. I don't know. Maybe you can tell me in the comments if you feel like I'm being cheap, which I probably am. But, like, the top that I was wearing today cost me $2. The jeans that I'm wearing cost me $20. Like, so $48 for a dress? Like, and to me, this doesn't feel like that much more high quality than a dress from Old Navy. I wore a dress from Old Navy yesterday, absolutely loved it. And yeah, I mean, I think it's cute. The olive color is cute. The floral design is cute. I'm saying that word a lot. I don't know that, like, this wouldn't be the first, like, thing that I would pick in a rack of clothes. So it's definitely interesting. This is kind of weird to me. And then if I wanted to wear anything over it, then it would be kind of bulky. Like, I like to wear a lot of cardigans. So yeah, I'm not gonna keep it. It's cute, but no. And then the Warren split neck blouse. So that one was kind of iffy on as well. That one was $44. And I think what it comes down to is the price. If I had some sort of credit or something, I had, which I don't know, I didn't explain at the end of the video because it like happened afterwards. I had $12 like leftover credit last video. And after like I got the cardigan, and they ended up just refunding me instead of keeping it as a credit. So I think maybe if I had credit left over on the website, I might get one of these items, but since I don't have credit on it, and that just went straight back to my credit card, like, I have zero stake in the game, per se, and so if I don't get anything, it's $0. So I think that's also helping make my decision. So I think it comes down to the price. I mean, this piece here, I mean, as you saw when I pulled it out, I was like, no. But I definitely like it. I liked it more on. I liked that detail on it. And yeah, I don't know where to shop for adult clothes though, so maybe these are decent prices for adult clothes as far as like professional clothes, I guess you would say. I looked at Kohl's a bit and like on their clearance, but right now I don't really need adult professional clothes, and in the teaching profession you don't super need adult professional clothes as long as it's like professional, like business casual sort of stuff, and cutesy, and you know, it's like you're just not showing up in like ripped jeans, and sort of thing, and even then that's kind of acceptable. So what I'm saying is I'm returning everything, all 5 pieces, and what I'm also saying is I don't think they really got my style this box. I'm not a fan. And I think this is going to be my last Stitch Fix video, just because the prices of items. So maybe, like I mentioned in the last video, maybe when I'm more established as a teacher and I'm like getting a paycheck and I'm like not, you know, having the time to go to get clothes, but right now I'm not super in need of clothes, and I'm not, you know, financially wealthy right now. So returning all the pieces. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please give this a big thumbs up and go follow me on Instagram. You get lots of sneak peeks over there. And I actually did a thing for my Instagram followers this week where I let them view my video for a whole week with a link that I sent out only to my Instagram followers. So there was a few people that got to view my video early. So anyways, I'll keep looking at the clothes box over here. I'm not sure why. But yeah, I'll leave the link down below, my referral code. I do get credit for it. You get credit for it. So if you want to try a Stitch Fix box and see if maybe they get your style. But other than that, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!